All right, Alicia, thank you. So here's a question for you now. What's in a name? Turns out a lot if you ask the candidates who want to be your next district court judge. Last month, a lawsuit was filed claiming that Lisa Uresti Dasher didn't use her legal name when she applied for the job. Now, the suit claims that she's trying to gain favor with the community by pointing out her connection to a powerful political family. So now the question is whether she can actually stay in the March primary. And as Dylan Collier reports, there's a hearing underway right now to determine that.
Today's hearing was supposed to be hybrid, but was moved online after several judges recused themselves. At issue, whether local attorney Lisa Uresti Dasher used her legal name when applying to run as a Democrat for judge of the 285th District Court. Uresti Dasher is the daughter of longtime Bexar County tax assessor collector Albert Uresti and the niece of disgraced state senator Carlos Uresti, who is currently serving a 12-year federal prison sentence for fraud and money laundering. A lawsuit filed against the candidate and the Bexar County Democratic Party last month also accuses Uresti Dasher of not being honest about how long she's lived in Bexar County. Her application states 35 years, while an application for a judicial appointment filed by her last year stated it had only been 3 years. Uresti Dasher's primary opponent, Nadine Nieto, said the discrepancies should concern voters.
It's important to our community to have honest, trustworthy judges.
Another surge in COVID presenting logistical nightmares to holding court right now. Adding to that, in this case, time is of the essence. Early voting is now less than 6 weeks away.
I heard somebody say Rebecca.
Okay.
Was that you? Was that you?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
The hours-long hearing rife with interruptions and audio issues. Attorneys for Uresti Dasher argued the suit was filed too late to allow for a full trial before the election takes place. But after the judge ordered it to proceed,
It's not a nickname. They're her real names and a confusing form.
attorneys for Uresti Dasher acknowledged parts of her application were inaccurate, strongly pushing back on the characterization that they were false. Dylan Collier, KSAT 12 News.
So this hearing that Dylan is telling us about stretched more than 4 hours before the judge eventually called it quits for the day. It resumes tomorrow morning at 10. Visiting Judge John Gabriel has not said if he's going to rule on whether he's going to remove Uresti Dasher when the hearing ends or if he's going to do that at a later time. The deadline, by the way, to print ballots for the March primary is January 16th. So that decision we should find out relatively soon.